So JunkStar just friggin' messed with my exhaust pipe and like flipped it around and like welded two caps on the end. So now it's coming out of this little spigot here. So yeah, that was open and then this was open. And and this thing was coming out that way, the opposite. But just flipped it around and, you know, welded those things on, so now my belt won't like melt from the exhaust. So now we're gonna see what it sounds like. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got the new pipe on, so I want to hear what it sounds like. So.
And you signed your waiver, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a little fun, buddy. There you go. I can hear stuff now.
Oh yeah. It's going pretty good now. Oh, I think we're gonna have a race going pretty soon. It's gonna be awesome. Oh boy, freaking JunkStar just crashed. For frick's sakes. What happened? Huh? What happened?
Wow.
You tipped her. And you wouldn't even let me record.
I know.
Just do it again for us. Look at it, freaking came in and boom, caught and tipped. Right?
Oh, I landed on my butt. You just fucking ready to go.
That pulley is just sparking. That thing's flying. Holy cow. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, he is bucking. That thing is chugging. I'm impressed. Just giving it. Jeepers creepers. Holy cow. Whoa. I think we might have a race, boys. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Is she working? Huh? Taking right off, huh?
Yeah, I can't even get a full bore up there.
Full blast.
Yeah. It doesn't handle as good as, it used to handle a little different. It was a little lower.
Oh yeah?
But I don't know, we'll try it out. And I gotta fix this real quick.
Oh. Oh.
When I rolled over it.
Oh, when you tipped it, huh? Holy cow.
When I rolled over, that popped out. So
yeah.
The steering's a little...
Just like a bigger washer, right?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, we got his console all freaking situated, and now he's gonna see how fast this thing can go down the road because he's got like Pug's iPhone in there, and you can see how fast this thing goes. High-tech redneck. You ain't kidding. Oh, we got an off-roader going on the track. Holy cow! Is he gonna do the big jump? Oh, there you go. Holy crap! This thing's going. Pulled it out of the shed, did a little bit of modification, and yeah, it's moving pretty good. Just high. He's gonna like climb cars with it. Is she working?
A lot better.
Yeah?
Are you going up the road with this?